family. Okay, Serena.
Nika, labas mo pala.
Okay, thank you very much. Upo lang po muna tayo lahat. Ulitin ko na lang yung sinabi ko kanina habang nakaano si Rina. Good day everyone and pleasant afternoon to our guests, relative friends and family. Next may we invite Erica Ganabis. Erica Ganabis. Kasama po ang kanyang mother. Walang iba si Miss Andrea Balubin. Ayan, Andre, Jess, dito ka po. Ayan. Ayan. Picture, picture tayo, picture.
Ayun, happy 18th birthday, Rina. I personally want to thank you sa pag-invite sa amin dito sa birthday mo. And sa ang wish ko lang sa'yo is maging successful yung college life mo and patuloy ka pang i-bless na Lord. Ayun na, happy birthday!
Thank you, Sharif. Picture mo na, Be. Ito, picture. Yan. Next, Kylie Hart Aisa.
Sa bawal.
Thank you. Ay, hindi naman po ako yun. Please naman. Jenny Punto.
Happy birthday sa ikam, Rina! Sana katuwadla ng pangarap mo yan.
Picture!
Thank you, Jenny.
Ang message ko lang is, happy birthday, Rina!
Enjoy lang, happy.
Sana mag-enjoy ka ngayong araw. Sana matupad mo lang ang mga yun na happy birthday.
Ayan, sir, sasayaw ko ng karapahin.
Happy birthday.
Pasensya mo yung birthday ko ah. Sana ka tapad yung pangarap mo.
Ano?
Salamat ka sa lahat. Punta.
Yung makeup mo, yung makeup mo.
Iyak na vision mo na happy birthday sa paulit. Miss Salvacion Marillo para po sa konting wish lang po. Okay. Miss, please welcome po Salvacion Marillo. Ayan, konting wish lang.
Happy birthday, Rina. Mag-aral mabuti at sana matupad lahat ng mga pangarap. Maging mamaya kong bata at God bless you.
Pa at mama mo handang sumuporta at gumabay sa iyo sa lahat ng oras. Huwag masyadong pasaway, konti lang kasi boring naman pag hindi. Maraming salamat din sa lahat ng dumalo at sa mga nag-sponsor. Lubos po kaming nagpapasalamat sa inyong suporta para maging matagumpay ang gabi nito. Once again, happy birthday, Rena. Ikaw ang bida ngayong gabi. God bless us all. Tito Heron Gomez.
Picture namin kayong dalawa. Ayan.
Mag-aaral ka mabuti at mag-enjoy lang, enjoy mo lang yung buhay. Kaya, ingat ka palagi. Happy birthday.
Ating 18 roses. Thank you to all the bill givers for your generosity and blessings. The next part of our program is a very special dance, the 18 roses. Budos naman. Okay?
Sure.
Opo, wag niyo po iwanan yung debutante natin. Next, a source of wisdom and guidance in her life. May we call on Sir Nicky Tanik Soriano. Wag niyo po iwanan ng debutante. Hanggang hindi na tinatawag yung susunod na magsasayaw, wag niyo iwanan. Palakpakan naman po. Ayan. Applause na. Ayan. Huwag mo iwanan din. Dito ka lang. Patawagin kay susunod. Accompany in laughter and shared memories. None other than Marky Livio. Ang hawak po ha sa flower at saka sa bewang. Hindi sa balikat ni Rina. Ayan. Okay. Next was always shown care and guidance. Sige, sayo lang. Budots ulit. Wala pa budots? Mr. Virgilio Livio. Sinilala mo na siya sa kasama mo. Ay, sige niya, budots ko. Hawak sa kamay at saka sa bewang po. Ayan. Doon po harap sa sa kabila ka kasi. Ayan.
Tangunik.
Yan. Kamay at saka bewang. Yan. Sige. Okay, ang kanyang kaibigan na lagi niyang kabiruan. Kalokohan, marami sila. Tawagin ko po, Mr. Arman Sabaliero. Ayan. Palakpakan po natin si Arman. Sige, kayong dalawa dyan. Sige, ang susunod naman po, walang iba kundi ang kapatid ni Arman, Adonis Sabaliero. Next, Mr. John Paul Vergara. Ano si John Paul? Wala? John Paul. Okay, next, Giovanni Alejandro. Alam po. Sige. Next po, John Paul Ortonero. Palakpakan po natin si John Paul. Okay lang yun. Dalaga ka naman na rin. Thank you, Mr. John po. Picture. Next naman po, John Anthony Atienza. Bewang po at saka kamay ang hawak ng ating mga 18 roses habang sinasayaw po ang ating debutante. Siyempre, dapat ikot. Next po, Mr. Leonard Punto. Leonard, yan. Ready to mingle ngayong gabi? So inaasahan ko mamayang gabi pag uwi nito? May nakatingin, yun lang. Meron pa? May single din. So alam mo na, ang lolo po ni Rina ay matagal ng single. Ready na po ito makiminggle anytime. Lolo, sumayaw ka po. Sayaw, lolo. Masayaw, lolo. Sayaw. Yan. Budots naman daw tayo. Pagubot. Kailangan nakaluhod, lolo, pag magbubudots, ha? Oo, matagal po yung mga 2 oras yan, kuya. Kuya. Hindi, matagal yan kasi dito pa rin. Oo, hindi ah. Budots muna tayo, kuya. Ayan. Palakpakan naman naman. Thank you po, Lolo. Siyempre. Mamaya may kaano na to si Kuya Soriano, ano? And her father, her very beginning. He has been her anchor, teaching values, showing unconditional love, and guiding her through every challenges. Her wisdom, patience, and constant support have shaped the woman who she is today. And tonight, she dances with him to honor this special bond. None other than the one and only, the father of the debutante, Mr. Roderick Gomez. Wow! Palakpakan naman po para sa mag-ama. Ayan. Oo, umiinaw pa yung flowers. Siyempre, bago sila matapos sumayaw, hihingin ko din ng konting message ang kanyang father kasi may si mother, may message na. Ngayon naman, si kuya naman ang may message after ng kanilang dance. O, wala pa iiyak, wala pa ng message. Okay na? Mga 2 hours pa daw yung birthday. Sige.
Para sa akin lang kasi Rina Gomez, napakabait na bata. Wala akong masabi. God bless, always.
Okay, palakpakan po natin ulit ang father at mga roses ni Rina, Mr. Roderick Gomez. Ayan. Sige. Unang 18 roses, tawagin ko po, Romuel Gomez, Rani. Dito po muna picture kayo. Budots, walang budots.
Sa pa, 1, 2, 3.
Okay, thank you. Next naman po si Louie. Yan.
Sa pa, 1, 2, 3.
Tapos, mag-short message.
Happy legal age, Rina. Actually, si Rina yung tulad namin hindi nagkakalayo. Siya 19 lang ako. Kidding aside, ang layo ng age gap namin, siguro 7 o 8 years. Pero yung connection namin as magpinsan, alam ko nandun yun, hindi nagbago. At ang wish ko sa'yo, sana ma-enjoy mo itong moment na to. And sana maging kind ka sa sarili mo. Kasi magiging malawak yung mundo mo ngayon. And lahat ng ma-encounter mo sooner, sana makayanan mo siya. And kung may makikilala ka man soon ng mga friends or alam mo na, wag mo din sana mawawala yung connection mo sa family mo, palalamin. And yun, happy birthday, Rina.
Thank you very much po, si Nan Tamayo and Jerisa Luis Gomez. Ayan, ang kanyang mga pinsan.
Sa pa, 1, 2, 3.
May we invite Miss Ria.
Happy birthday, welcome to Adam Project. Siyempre, from growing up together, chasing our dreams, siyempre happy ako na nakita kita simula pagkabata tayo. Lagi tayo magkaaway. Hindi mo kasi ako sinasama sa bahay-bahayan. Ayun, happy ako. You deserve all the love, happiness, and successful in this new chapter of your life. Yan, happy birthday.
Thank you very much, Lian Abrigo. Yan. Ang kanyang kababata, kaaway sa bahay-bahayan. Next. Bakit di wala iyakan to? Ano ba?
Lagi ko ba na?
Nag-away na naman ba kayo dalawa? Ano pinag-awayan nyo? Yung project nyo na hindi natapos? Naiiyak ka? Nakakaiyak po yung sinabi ni Liana. Ang haba, wala ko naiintindihan. Ako na lang magbabasa. Oh, ito daw, basahin mo na lang, bala ka na. Oh. Okay, hawakan mo yung mic. Dito ka na. Dali. Lapit ka na kayo. Magmamic.
Happy to my childhood best friend. Happy birthday. Today we celebrate Eunice. The years still new, but the life is slowly, bravely built. And for anything else, I want you to know this. Being part of your journey from the very beginning until now is one of the greatest gifts of my life. Oh! From the time we were just kids, I have watched you grow into the person you are today. I've seen every face of you, the gentle ones, the messy ones, the quiet ones, and even the moments when you felt lost. We grew side by side, learning how to laugh, how to fall, and how to keep going together. Our friendship hasn't always been perfect. We had misunderstanding, moment of distance, and even a time when we didn't speak at all. But no matter what happened, nothing ever broke the bond we built. Time tested us, life tried us, and still here we are. I hope you know how strong you are, even the days you didn't feel it. You carried yourself with courage. Thank you for always showing up for me in the smallest ways. One call and you were always there. And I hope you know I'll always be the same for you. May this life become everything you've been dreaming of. May your dreams stay big and your worries stay small. May you never carry more than you can hold, and may you always find strength, or even on the hardest days. As you step into this new chapter, I hope you're gentle with yourself. You don't have to everything figured out. Small progress is still progress.
and you're already doing more than enough. And where life takes you, please remember this. Someone will cheering for you, believing in you, and loving you. No matter how far life takes us, you will always have a home in my heart. And wherever you are, I'll be there, saving you as yet always. Happy birthday, Lee. Haba yan ang essay ni Yani. Palakpakan pa kay Maria Liana Binata. Ay, picture daw Yani. Umiiyak po kasi siya. Sila yung magkababata na magkakasama, magkaaway, magkaasaran, mag-aaway, babati ulit. Yan, ganyan po.
Sana alam mo. Ayun, dito lang ako para sa iyo. Kahit na hindi tayo nakakapag-usap o nakakapag-bonding dahil busy na tayo sa kanya-kanya nating buhay. Happy birthday again, I love you.
Hindi na FO. Thank you very much, Sarina. Fatima. Uy, rin yan. By Miss Astrid Pamela Ebaw.
Okay, first of all, happy birthday. This is your most memorable in your life, and I hope na sana I hope your dreams will come true, happy birthday!
Astrid Ebaw. Pamela Ebaw. Next naman po.
May this special day bring you genuine happiness, good health, and countless reasons to smile. May all your dreams slowly turn into reality, and may your journey ahead be filled with love, success, and beautiful moments. Enjoy every second of the day because you truly deserve all good things life has to offer.
Thank you very much.
Happy meeting birthday, Rena.
Tignan yung chase your dreams. Nandito lang kami lagi ni Mel. Pero hindi talaga sa pag-aasawa, ha?
Sana lahat ng dreams mo is matupad. 4 years to go, makakagraduate na din tayo.
Magkakaroon tayo ng work. Sana, mas pa rin tayo.
Ayun na, happy meeting birthday, Rena. Mahal ka namin ni Mel lang.
Thank you very much, Char. Picture ko muna. Ayan. Yan. Thank you. Next.
Happy birthday, Rina. Sana sumakses ka sa life. Para ilibre mo na lang kami ni Char. Happy birthday. Malapit na tayo umalis sa Gardner. Sana makapasa tayo sa QC and manifesting. And sana wag kang magbago dito tulad ni ano. Happy birthday. Love na love kita lang ngayon.
Thank you, Mariam Pineda. Ayan. Next, Miss Eliza Valderrama.
Okay. Ganti yan to nasa concert na ako
Pag namatay ulit yan, open na ako.
Okay. Before, happy birthday, Rena. You know, I love you so much. And gusto kong pala-comment Gusto kong mag-thank you sa'yo. Lalo-lalo na nung grade 11 tayo. Well, kayo naman tatlo na lang. Gusto ko yung pasalamatan kasi grabe din talaga yung natulong niya sa akin that time. Kasi alam mo na, bawal may kwento dito. Talaga! Ano, ako yung friend mo na kahit walang-wala ka, handa kitang saluhin. Ay, alam mo yan Happy birthday!
Thank you very much, Eliza. Next, let's call Marjorie Remolano.
Ay, for today. Kaya mamaya na lang yung wish ko sa'yo. So, ayun. Alam ko may parting mahihirapan pero dito lang kami nila Joy. Always. And thank you din po pag kailangan kita dito ka din. Happy birthday.
Thank you very much, Marjorie. Palakpakan po.
Hi, Lena. I'm Marjorie since grade 11 pa tayo. And from day 1, I saw how special you are. You're so kind and kilala kita as strong woman. And ayun yung bagay na na-amaze ko sa'yo. Kaya ina-admire ko. I know, Lena, sometimes things don't go as planned. And it's okay to feel lost or disappointed in your sight. But never forget all the effort you pour into making things right. As you step into adulthood, I wish all your dreams come true and may you become even stronger and face everything that comes your way with you've got what it takes to do incredible things with it. Happy 18th, Shoppa.
Thank you very much, Renee.
Hindi, maraming salamat talaga kasi kahit na nahihirapan ka na, kahit na may sakit ka, hindi mo kami naiwan sa mga pagsabot. Hindi ka na po pero wala kang magagawa. Nandito na to. Happy birthday na yan.
Thank you very much, Mary Joy. Please welcome Miss Paige Francisco.
Happy may galitian. Ay, namin talaga. Of all, thank you kasi invite mo kami sa ang ganda mo. Hindi tayo ganun ka-close, pero yun. Mas naging close tayo nung nung nag-flip over. Sakit ulit yan. I hope na makain mo na yung right one mo. Wishing you all the best and more birthday. Thank you.
Ako na bahala sa review sa akin. Talaga. Pero, today or tomorrow, rather, probably be the biggest challenge you'll have to face. Just know that everyone here and not here are blessed to have you. And we're so proud of you for holding on and showing your brightest side. Kahit na sobrang hirap na para sa'yo. And I hope that starting today, you will realize that you should put yourself first always and always. May this be the happiest birthday yet. Happy birthday! Proud ako. Thank you, Saini. Picture. Let us call A.E.J. Rohan. Ano ba?
Alam ko naman kasi tayo close, pero I appreciate all the usapan sa naging handles mo. So, syempre, good luck on your journey as an adult. Tapos sa mga pagdadaanan mo pa sa dadating na panahon. Also, good luck sa academics mo. I hope you get whatever you want in life. And sana sana maging successful ka someday. And last but not the least, gabayan ka ng Lord always. Gabayan ka niya sa mga tatahakin ng pasabuhay mo again. Happy 80th birthday, Ate Red.
Thank you very much, AJ. Okay, bilang
Hi, Rena. Happy 18th birthday. Welcome to Legality Age. Sana sa next chapter ng pagiging 18 mo, I pray na mas maging brave ka sa mga decision mo and stay true to yourself and sa faith mo and let God lead you, trust His plans even when things don't make sense. I'm so proud of the person you've been becoming. May this candle be a reminder that you are loved, supported, and never alone. Happy 18th birthday. May your life filled with blessings, joy, and answered prayers. Have a prosperous day.
thank you very much, Brenda. Ayan. Teacher ko si Brenda mo yan. Countless memories, Sabrina, lights the last candle. This candle represents the unwavering love of family, a love that will always shine bright and guide her through life. Okay. Miss Rachel Joy Gomez. Nasaan daw yung script po?
Ayusin mo! Ay, si Buchet! Talaga yun din na!
Thank you so much. I love you.
Ah, sweet naman ni Jeng. I love you, Dote. Umiiyak pa siya. Ayan, punas mo na yung Jeng. At bababitawa ba? Pipichu? Dapat pala iyakan. Happy moments to ni ate. Ayan, 1, 2, 3, waki. Ayun. Okay, tawagin ko po ba yung 5 ha? Palpo, si Roxanne, si Charm, Rian, Eliza. Para po sa auto. Sabi, mamaya na.
Yan! Yan si mamaya!
Then, 1, 2, 3, go! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Ulit natin! Dalandan! Auto ready, sing go! 1, 2, ready? Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
May tumawag si Shopee, Rina. Ay, Rina yung Shopee.
Happy birthday!
Yun, happy birthday! Ang galing naman na kanyang mabait na pamangkin. Tama ba?
Nalaglag ka!
Before, mag-wish mo na si Rina, syempre. Syempre,
Kakanta muna. Game na pala.
Happy birthday
Una po kayo. Una.
Gusto ko lang po mag-thank you syempre sa family ko. Masaya ako na na-experience ko tong ganitong birthday. Once in my lifetime lang to, so sobrang maalala ko lahat ng nangyari dito. And syempre sa mga tita, pinsan ko dyan na lagi nakasuporta sa akin. Thank you din sa mga bumisita ngayon. Sobrang na-appreciate ko kayo na pumunta dito kahit na baka busy kayo pero pumunta pa rin kayo. Thank you so much po. Thank you. Shout out sa UC. Di kayo pumunta. Ulang kayo. Ayun lang. Thank you po. Yay.
Okay, palakpakan po natin ang ating debutante, Miss Rina. Rina, Gomez. Thank you sa good message. Rina, palakpakan po natin sila. Ayan. One, two, three, smile. Ayan. Dito, tingin dito. Tingin sa picture. Walking. Ayan. Sa loob. Okay na? Ayan. Magsasayaw na.
Happy birthday おめでとう幸せの鐘が響き渡るみんなの願いが集まる日今日はあなたの特別な一日過ぎてゆく日々の中で忘れられない瞬間を作ろう今ここにいる喜びを365日誰かの誕生日 Happy birthday おめでとう幸せの鐘が響き渡るみんなの願いが集まる日今日はあなたの特別な一日 Happy birthday to you Happy birthday to you Happy birthday dear Happy birthday to you Today's your special day And we're here to say May all your dreams come true In every single way Happy birthday You shine like a morning sun Here's to joy, love and laughter and we're full of fun You've touched so many hearts With your kindness and your grace A true light in the darkness